Hello YouTube. This is my what you call it 49cc. It has the motor you can see. See that? You got the tank. It's a Huffy. I got the throttle right over here. Then got the clutch right here. I got the back sprocket, as you can see right here. I got the guard right here on there. And then we got the clutch pulls in, card and muffler right here. Change this wire from a that wire to like a car wire, spark plug wire. Uh, Back little light on right here. This is the seat, whatnot. This the other side. Is the sprocket right here. Got it on there. The motor on this side. The fuel on and off switch. Carburetor. Cut off switch right here. That's my little video right here. Let me know how you guys like it, and have a good one. All right.